Episode 6. Create a new model and channel mode setup. There are two ways to create a new model: create template and blank model. A brief explanation of the template creation method. Save the currently set model as a template. When creating a new model, just select this template, and the system will automatically synchronize all parameters of the previous model. The advantage is that there is no need to repeatedly set various values of the remote controller, making it very quick to use. When creating a new model, if you choose blank model, you can think of it as a blank sheet with no preset parameters. After creating a blank model, you need to manually set the modes, channels, RF module, refresh rate, and other parameters individually. Short press, then long press the power button to turn on. Press ENT button to enter Manage Models. Find the default Commando 14 model. Press ENT button, and select Save as Template. Then scroll up to the top right corner of the screen. Select New, and enter New Model. Scroll down to Personal and enter it. Select the template you just saved. Then short press ENT button to confirm. The model will be created successfully. How to view or rename a model. Press ENT button to enter Model Setup. If you see two models with the same name, it means the new model has been created successfully. Next is rename the model. Short press MDL to enter, find model name, and customize the name as needed. Once done, short press ESC button to exit. Short press ENT button to enter Manage Models. Scroll up to the top right corner and select New, then enter New Model. Find blank model and short press ENT button to create it. When the remote controller returns to the home screen, it means the blank model has been created successfully. Next, additional setup is required. Press MDL to enter Model Setup, where you can modify the model name and model image as needed. Note, the model image must be stored in the designated path on the SD card in advance in order to be used. Custom features are explained in detail in Episode 5. Refer to the previous episode for details. Scroll down to find the internal RF and external RF options. If you are using an external RF module, select the corresponding external protocol here and keep it enabled. For this tutorial, we are using the Commando 14's internal RF module, so simply enable internal RF. Short press ENT button to enter. Set the mode to CRSF. Once the setting is done, short press ESC button to return to the home screen and continue with other transmitter settings. Short press SYS to enter the system menu, then scroll right to Hardware. Set the transmitter voltage measurement range 9 volt to 12.6 volt. Scroll down to ensure ADC filter is off. Continue scrolling down to baud rate and set it to 1.87 mega. After these settings, scroll down to Calibration. After creating a new model, it is recommended to perform a stick calibration to ensure all stick values are accurate. Go to Calibration and press the ENT button to enter. Press ENT again to start calibration. Set the sticks, knobs, and wheel switches to center position. Then press ENT again to save the center point. Next, move both sticks fully in all directions, completing a full cross pattern. Make sure each direction reaches its maximum value. Repeat the same steps for the knobs and wheel switches, moving them to both maximum and minimum travel. Then press Confirm to complete calibration. Press ESC to return to the home screen and continue with other settings. Press MDL to enter Model Setup, then scroll right to the Mixes page. Here you can see channels 1 to 4 on the main page, corresponding to the two sticks. Next, set up AUX channel switches, which will allow us to set up arming, angle, and other flight modes in the beta flight. Scroll down and click the plus to select CH5. CH5 usually corresponds to AUX1 and is commonly used as the arming switch. For ELRS, it is recommended to assign AUX1 as the arming switch because it is sent in real time, with high priority, and included in every packet, offering the lowest latency and highest reliability. Other channels are sent via polling, which can introduce delays and packet loss, making them unsuitable for critical safety functions like arming or emergency disarming. For more details, refer to the official ELRS documentation. Scroll down to Source and short press ENT button to enter. Move the switch you want to assign, and it will automatically recognize its name. You can also choose according to your personal preference. Here, we select SA at top left switch as the arming switch. Once set, press ENT button to confirm, then short press ESC button to return. Other switch assignments can be set in the same way. After creating models, how do you switch or delete them? Short press ENT button to enter Manage Models. Select the model you want to switch to, press ENT button to choose model, then press ENT button again to confirm. The model will be switched successfully. To delete a model, also go to Manage Models. Select the model you want to delete, scroll down to Delete Model, and press ENT button to delete it. Note, you must switch to another model before deleting the current one. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.